second. Some big odds out there on there for the number 5 entry now, Blue Meadow Willie. Mark starting gate, though, beginning to round the corner. We'll pass it back to Vance Cameron.
Laughing Example, Canico Peso, Every Day in Electric Moves, Blue Meadow Willie, Woodmere Fool's Son, Teddy's Place, Rocco's Cavallo, top of the stretch. Approaching a start. They're off and pacing. Canico Peso and Laughing Example are leaving out. Every Day third to the turn, and coming from the outside, Rocco's Cavallo fourth. Then in fifth at the rail, that's Electric Moves. Blue Meadow Willie checks in sixth. With Woodmere Fool's Son seventh. Teddy's Place the trailer. Up the backstretch they go. That's Laughing Example. In line to Terry Gallant. Second is Canico Peso. Rocco's Cavallo will keep them honest. Coming third and now second and headed for the lead. They arrived at the opening quarter with Rocco's Cavallo moving to the lead. The quarter's a snappy one. It's 28-2. Second is Laughing Example. Canico Peso third. Every Day fourth. Electric Moves fifth. That's Blue Meadow Willie sixth. Woodmere Fool's Son seventh. Teddy's Place on the outside eighth. Down the stretch with the half in their sights. Rocco's Cavallo paid a 28-2 price to lead it. He's the midway point leader. Second at the rail, Laughing Example. Canico Peso continuing third. 57-4 was the half. Moving up fourth is Every Day. Electric Moves will be second over fifth. On the rail, Woodmere Fool's Son sixth. Blue Meadow Willie seventh. Now the trailer, Teddy's Place along the back stretch as they go to three quarters next. And Rocco's Cavallo widening his lead. Laughing Example on the rail second. Canico Peso reclaiming third. Every Day a stalled fourth. Three high, Electric Moves from fifth. Three quarters in one. 28 flat on the turn for the final time. Rocco's Cavallo by 2. Eighth of a mile to go. Laughing Example is second. Electric Moves is coming up third. Canico Peso fourth. It's all Rocco's Cavallo in the 11th. A going away winner for Mark Bradley. Laughing Example second. Canico Peso third. Rocco's Cavallo came to play in 1:57-1.
Turning out to be a great little handicapper as she has a few wins for her mother today. We'd like to wish a very happy 9th birthday coming up to Rosalie. Here enjoying another evening at afternoon at Red Shores.
Rocco's Cavallo going to race number 11, winner circle. Rocco's a big pacing gelding 7, but Badlands Hanover from the Walton Hanover Dam Yankee Villa, owned by Tyler and Justin DeRoche of Summerside. Ty does the training in the hands of Mark Bradley today, 1:57-1. That's Rocco's Cavallo in the 11th.